In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a license from an old employee to a new employee in Salesforce. This process is straightforward, but it's essential to follow each step carefully to ensure a smooth transition and avoid any potential issues with user access. First, let's begin with the task of deactivating the old employee's account. Open your Salesforce dashboard and head over to the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the gear icon. Clicking on this icon will drop down a menu, directing you towards the Setup option. This section is your main hub for managing user accounts effectively. Once you're in Setup, you'll notice a quick find search box. Here, type in Users to navigate directly to the section listing all user profiles associated with your organization. After clicking on Users, you'll enter the main user management page. Scroll through this list to locate the old employee's user record. Once you've spotted it, proceed by clicking on Edit. You'll find an active checkbox here, and unchecking this box will deactivate the user's account. Make sure not to skip saving your changes once you've done this by clicking the Save button before proceeding. With the old user deactivated, our focus now shifts to the new employee. If this person does not yet have a user record set up in Salesforce, you'll need to create one from scratch. Start by clicking the New User button and fill in all the required details. Be meticulous while entering this information because it defines the new user's access and interactions within Salesforce. In contrast, if the new employee already has an inactive user record, simply click Edit to make any necessary updates to their information. Double-check all details to ensure accuracy. Once you're confident everything is correct, activate their account so they can begin utilizing Salesforce immediately. Moving on, it's time to assign the appropriate license to our new user. Within the user record you've just created or edited, you'll come across a field dedicated to the user license. Choose the option most appropriate for the level of access they require, be it Salesforce Standard or Platform. This decision is foundational as it dictates which parts of Salesforce the user can interact with. Remember also to assign a fitting profile to the user. This step is crucial because the profile dictates permissions and what data the user can see and interact with. Aligning this with their role within your organization ensures they have all necessary tools to perform their tasks efficiently. Wrap it all up by confirming your changes with another click on Save. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred a license from an old employee to a new one. By following these precise steps, you've facilitated a seamless transition while safeguarding the integrity and security of your Salesforce system. Keep this guide handy for when you need to manage user licenses in the future. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.